Assalamu alaikum dear friends and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the Samsung air conditioner remote control. This unit is also full compatible with many Samsung inverter and classic split models. To check if the remote is working, point it at your smartphone camera and press the power on-off button several times. If you see the infrared light flashing on the camera screen, it means your remote is transmitting a signal and it's working. This is the power button, on-off button. With this button, we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the air conditioner's modes. Each time you press this button, the device switches to the next operation mode. With the mode button, you can set 5 main modes: auto, cooling, drying, fan, and heating. The fan button is used to change the fan speed. There are 4 speeds in this air conditioner: high, medium, low, and auto. Most users use the air conditioner for cooling in the summer. So we will start the explanation with this mode. We press the mode button, and when the wall cool appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we recommend setting the temperature to 22 to 24 degrees Celsius or to 72 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the most ideal range for human health. If you want to save electricity, you can choose a temperature of 24 degrees, 75 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Keep in mind that setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius or 72 degrees Fahrenheit creates a sharp temperature difference in the room and can cause a cold. To switch to the next mode, we press the mode button and the word dry appears on the screen. This is the dry mode. The dry mode used in the summer to reduce humidity in the room and create a more comfortable environment. When you press the mode button again, the device switches to fan mode. In this mode, the air conditioner's unit compressor stops and the device circulates the room air like a simple fan. When you press the mode button the next time, the word heat appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, it is recommended to set the temperature to 26 or higher Celsius or to 79 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. In heating mode, it is recommended to set the fan speed to auto fan speed mode because in this case the microprocessor regulates the fan speed itself. The air conditioner reaches the nominal operating mode faster and prevents the outdoor unit from freezing more effectively. To switch to auto fan speed mode, we press this button, and when we see this movement, the air conditioner switches to auto fan speed mode. Keep in mind that the air conditioner to blow hot air at full power in heating mode, it may take 20-40 minutes depending on the device model. Press the mode button one more to switch to auto mode. In auto mode, the air conditioner decides for itself to keep the temperature stable. If the room is cold, it heats. If it is hot, it cools. We return to cooling mode again with the mode button. Now let's explain the other important buttons on the Samsung remote control. The good sleep button ensures the air conditioner works quietly and without tiring the body while sleeping at night. If you set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius and 72 degrees Fahrenheit and press this button, the sleep mode symbol and usually an 8-hour time will appear on the screen. To confirm, press the set button. As the device works, it will gradually increase the temperature by about 2 degrees during this period. To exit this mode, press the cancel button. We use the swing button to move the air blowers up and down. Sometimes the air is very hot. We can use the turbo button to cool the room quickly. If the fan noise in the bedroom bothers you, you can use the quiet button to reduce the fan speed to minimum. Press the same button to exit. The display button is used to turn the light on the indoor unit of the air conditioner on and off. There is another very useful function on this remote. Evaporating clean. It is recommended to use this function after turning off the air conditioner to completely dry the indoor radiator. When you select this function on the remote and turn off the device, the indoor unit does not stop immediately. It works with a low fan speed for about 10 to 15 minutes to completely dry the moisture on water droplets on the radiator. So what is clean prompt? This is actually a warning system regarding filter contamination. After the air conditioner has worked for a certain period, a scene appears on the remote screen or the device display reminding that the filter needs to be washed or a beep sound is heard. So, Evap Clean is an action to dry the internal moisture, and Clean Prompt is a message telling you that it's time to take out and wash the filters. After washing the filters, to clear that warning from the screen, we hold down the Clean Prompt button on the remote control for a few seconds. This way, the internal counter of the device is reset and the warning light goes off. Dear friends, there is another interesting button on the Samsung remote control, Smart Saver. As the name suggests, this function is designed for maximum electricity savings. When you press this button, the air conditioner automatically starts regulating the temperature between 24 and 30 degrees Celsius. The device works to keep the room at a cool and comfortable temperature without overcooling it. The remote also has timer on and timer off functions. If you want the room to be cool when you come home from work, you can set the timer on function. For example, if you want it to turn on in 10 hours, we set the timer with the timer button and press the set button. We switch off, we press on timer, set button to confirm. To cancel this function, you press cancel button. In the same way, if you want the air conditioner to turn off after a few hours while is it running, you can use timer off function. You press timer off, for example, 5 hours. You press set button to confirm. To exit this mode, you press the same button, cancel button. Thank you for watching us until the end.